Correctly drawing the sprites, either behind or in front, is important for any top-down 2D game. In Godot, this can easily be done by enabling the Y sorting on the parent node. First, we create a parent node that holds nodes which we want to Y sort. This Y sorted holds a player node and a node called trees. Under the node trees, we have two tree nodes. As you can see, if I move the player node, there's no sorting yet. To draw the player depending on its Y position, we enable Y sorting on the Y sorted node. Y sorted, we go under ordering and Y sorted enabled. We also need to enable Y sorting on the trees node, otherwise its children will not be Y sorted. So in our case, the two trees. We need to enable on the parent node, trees. We don't need to enable Y sorting on the player node, unless we want its children to be Y sorted as well. As you can see, the Y sorting works, but there is a small issue. Y sorting works on the canvas items, uses Sprite's origin for determining the order. Since both of these are in the middle, the sorting looks a bit off. We can just offset the Sprite node by desired amount, or we could also just use the Sprite offset. Let's first move the Sprite. And now let's fix the tree. And let's see if this works. Or we could, for instance, just, as I said, offset the Sprite. And now let's offset the Sprite. And let's try it again. And now you know. This is how you can order your sprites by the Y-axis. Hope you enjoyed it and see you next time.